All right, CPT JJ-CPV, Evaluation and Management, E&M Services Guidelines, page 6, part 3. What are we studying now? Family history, right? Now, this is a part of the evaluation and management service that a doctor provides. And when he tries to get as much information from your family medical history as possible, right? So let's read that.
Okay. A review of medical events in the patient's family that includes significant information about.
Okay, now the patient's family is because, because of the links with the family. Whatever affects your family might affect you, right? So let's read what significant information we have to.
The health status or cause of death of patients, parents, siblings, and children.
Right. He wants to find out if some of your parents die, what did they die of? If it's cancer, for instance, then probably there's a great possibility that you might have cancer also, right? Also siblings, brothers and sisters, and children. Okay. Now next. Specific diseases.
Specific diseases related to problems identified in the chief complaint of history of the present illness and or systems review.
Right, you're going to the doctor for a specific problem. So the doctor is going to find out, is going to ask you if anybody in your family had that specific problem before. Or is you the first one in the family that is having it, right? What other things?
Disease of family members that may be a hereditary or place the patient at risk.
All right, there are certain diseases that are hereditary, right? Which means that the mother usually passes, the mother or the father usually passes to the offspring, to the children, right? So the doctor also wants to know if there are any of those in your parents, right? Or your parents or your grandparents. And there's a little more information there for family history you can read. And now we're going to do a problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, CPT JJ-RVA, page 273, exercise 175. And this is a level 2 exercise. And the title is?
Caloric vestibular test.
Caloric vestibular test, okay? It's the medicine part of the CPT code, and the text reads like this.
Caloric vestibular test using air.
Caloric vestibular test using air. Okay, so that is the procedure. Now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the CPT code for this procedure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 92700. Did you get that? Very unlikely that you got it because it is a level 2, remember. But if you did, congratulations. If you didn't, don't worry, we'll give you a few tips. First tip.
Level 2 difficulty. Trick question.
This is a trick question, which means that it's not easy to find it. Why is tricky about this one?
This is difficult because on the book, the closest code is 92543.
Right.
But this code is used when having an irrigation substance,
which we don't have, right? So that is not our code. So the next one.
To check every word in index and details in tabular, and you won't find this procedure.
Yeah, this procedure is nowhere to be found. So this is a trick question. So the procedure or the code for the procedure, put the code for the procedure. The code for the procedure here. The code for the procedure is not available, right? The code for the procedure is not available. So use an unlisted code. Can you put this in order?
Right, yeah. Sorry.
It's okay. An unlisted code, right? Okay. So, and now if you want to know a little bit more about what this procedure is or what this test is, we have 2 A+ videos that you should watch, right? And then an article that you can read later on. Okay, and you know that the answer is 92700. Okay, now we're going to count to 3. So you can pause the video and give us the path. You have all the information. You have the tips, you have the videos, and you have the answer. But now we need to know, or you have to give us the path, how we got to the answer. So 1, 2, 3. All right. This is the summary of the whole problem. This is the medicine section of the CPT code book. It's a caloric vestibular test using air, right? So it's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
You first go to otorhinolaryngology.
You start with otorhinolaryngology, right?
Right.
And then
you go to unlisted services and procedures.
Unlisted services and procedures, because you can't find it, right? But there's a code for all the procedures that are not found, right? So let's go to the tabular and double check this code.
Yeah.
So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
Then you go to the code 92700. It is said unlisted otorhinolaryngological service or procedure.
All right. So for any procedure that involves the ear, nose, and larynx, right, we use this code. So we have to use this code. So the answer is 92700. Okay? You got that? Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and also
you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
you just click the subscribe button and you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exam.
So don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.